Good morning, dear students. This is the fourth lecture of Unit 1. The paper is Design of Experiment. In the previous video, I have already discussed about why ANOVA is used and importance of analysis of variance. And in this video, I am going to discuss about one-way classification of analysis of variance. After this lecture, you are able to know the layout of one-way classification, the fixed effect linear model used in this classification, assumption used in this model, and ANOVA table of this layout. This is the layout of the one-way classification. Here we have a factor A which has k classes. আমি ইয়াত কি কৰো ওয়ান ৱে এনভাত এটা ফেক্টৰ কনসিডাৰ কৰো আৰু সেই ফেক্টৰটোক আমি কেইটামান ক্লাছত ভাগ কৰিলো সাপোজ আমাৰ ওচৰত এটা ফেক্টৰ আছে আৰু সেই ফেক্টৰটো হৈছে a তাক আমি কেইটা ক্লাছত ভাগ কৰি লৈছো ক্লাছ কেইটা কি হ'ব a1 a2 up to ak. Suppose the number of observations in the ith class is ni and sum of all these observation is equal to n. Further, let yij denote the jth observation in the ith class, so the scheme of classification is like this. Here we have classified the factor a into k classes and these are the levels of the factor and these are the mean. So see here, I have already explained you that yij denote the jth observation in the ith class. So y11 represent the first observation in the first class. Next, y12 represents the second observation in the first class. 2 for j and 1 for I and so on. Similarly, y1j represents the jth observation in the first class and y1 n1 represents the n1 observation in the first class. Now y1 dot bar represents the mean of these observations. These observation or mean to আমি কিহে represent কৰিছো y1 dot bar. Similarly, y21 represents the first observation in the second class. y22 represents the second observation in the second class and y2j represents the jth observation in the second class and y2 n2 represents the n2 observation in the second class and similarly y2 dot bar represents the mean of the second class and ai is the ith class of the factor a. So y1 represents the first observation in the ith class, y2 represents the second observation in the ith class, yij represents the jth observation in the ith class and yn1 represents the n1 observation in the ith class and similarly yi dot bar represents the mean of the ith class and similarly, yk1 represents the first observation in the kth class, yk2 represents the second observation in the kth class, and ykj represents the jth observation in the kth class, and ynk represents the kth observation in the kth class, and yk dot bar represents the mean of the kth class. Here we have used the fixed effect linear model, and the model is written as Yij is equal to mu plus alpha I plus epsilon Ij. Here mu represents the general mean effect, alpha I represents the effect due to ith level of factor A, and epsilon Ij is the error effect. In this model, we have made the following assumptions. The first assumption is that all the observations, that is Yij, are independent. And second assumption is that all the linear combination of Ni alpha I is equal to 0. That means যেতিয়া আমি এই linear combination বিলাকৰ আমি summation কৰিম তেতিয়াহলে আমি কি পাব লাগিব 0 পাম. And third assumption is that errors are distributed as normal variate with mean 0 and variance sigma square. Also, the least square estimate of mu alpha I are obtained by minimizing the sum of squares of errors. আমি least square estimate কিতাপ কেনেকে পাম? mu আৰু alpha I আমি least square estimate kita estimate কৰিব লাগিব আমি sum of square to minimize কৰি. This is the final ANOVA table. Here represents the source. Second column represents the degrees of freedom. Third column represents the sum of square. Fourth column represents the mean sum of square, and this is the final F-test. Here we have a factor 8 which is called treatment. So degrees of freedom k minus 1, because our factor a kami k ta class at bhag korisilu, tar degrees of freedom to ki hobo k minus 1 hobo, aru total amounts of n ta observation asile. So ami degrees of freedom to hobo n minus 1, aru error degrees of freedom to pabor karone ami ki koru n minus 1 or pora, that means total to pora ami treatment or degrees of freedom to minus korile ami n minus k pam. Aru sum of square due to treatment ami represents korisu s a square, sum of square due to error to ami represents korisu s square, aru total sum of square to ami represents korisu s square. Aru mean sum of square bilak ami keneke pam? Sum of square tar respective degrees of freedom e ami divide korile ami mean sum of square bilak pam. So treatment or mean sum of square to ami keneke paisu? Total sum of square kami tar degrees of freedom to divide korisu. Similarly error mean sum of square to karone ami ki korisu? Total sum of square due to error kami tar respective degrees of freedom e divide korisu. Aru finally ami F pabor karone ami ki koribo lagibo? Mean sum of square due to treatment ok ami tar error mean sum of square ami divide koribo lagibo. If the calculated value of the FA is less than table value of F for k minus 1, n minus k degrees of freedom at certain level of significance, generally we have considered 5% level of significance, then we may accept our null hypothesis at that level of significance and may conclude that there is no significant difference between different levels of factor A. Otherwise, we may reject the null hypothesis. These are the references. Thank you.